Clare's Tomato by Ed Keller. About the book, little girl learns how to grow tomatoes. Young Clare is full of questions, including about the food she eats, in this book. Clare's Tomato, the author shares her adventures as she sets out to learn about how vegetables grow. She's thrilled about growing her first tomato, but she is concerned about what will happen to it when it is nice and ripe. Clare's Tomato is an entertaining children's story. It's also a chance for them to learn where food comes from and how they can play a part in providing food for their families. About the author, Edward Keller. Ed Keller received his bachelor's degree in 1976 in secondary education and his master's in curriculum and instruction from West Virginia University in 1985. He taught in Monongalia County, West Virginia, 26 years at the elementary, secondary, and graduate level. During this time, he developed 3 science activity kits available nationwide for teachers. He also presented over 40 workshops at the local, state, and national levels and published 17 papers. Keller spent 16 summers working on National Science Foundation grants, the first dealing with developing materials and instructional strategies and teaching marine biology to disabled high school students at Wallops Island, Virginia. The second one involved designing activities and teaching geology to West Virginia public school teachers at what was fondly referred to by the teachers as Rock Camp. Keller's efforts have been recognized at the local, state, and national level. In 1986, he received the National Science Foundation's Presidential Award for Excellence in Science Teaching, and in 1990, he took home the first Milken Family Foundation Distinguished Educator Award in West Virginia. In 1991, he was honored with the West Virginia Distinguished Educators Fund's Elementary Educator Merit Award and the West Virginia University College of Human Resources and Education Alumni Association's Award for Distinguished Achievement in Classroom Teaching. Keller retired in 2001 but had one more honor coming. In 2004, he was selected as a member of the first class of the West Virginia University College of Human Resources and Education Hall of Fame. Today, you will find him at home either making jewelry or writing. Let's hear the author's thoughts on his book.
I'd say any child that's curious would benefit from the book. When I was writing the book, I was actually thinking about children in general and how they learn. Children are very curious. A lot of times the process of education stifles that curiosity. Children are not encouraged to explore things on their own, especially when parents have limited time. Instead of asking them questions and allowing them to work through it, they'll give them the answer. And that's not really the way to learn. The way to learn is to actually do things hands-on. So I wrote the book with the intention of having a parent or a guardian read the book to the child, and I actually incorporated questions in the book for the child to answer, and they could use those questions to create a dialogue between the adult and the child. I would like the audience to come away with the idea that the best gift that an adult can give a child is their time.
Get a copy of Clare's Tomato